Hello dear students! Welcome to our online English school. Today the topic of our lesson is how to cook lunch. You will learn some instructions and new words related to food and drink. First, we will learn some new vocabulary. Listen to the instructions, please.
Read the menu and complete the missing information. What's on the menu at Kate's dad's restaurant?
So let's start. Let's look at the boat's lunchtime menu. There are 5 sections in it. They are starters, main course, dessert, cold drinks, and hot drinks. You need to fill in the gaps in each section with these words given. Let's look at starters. Here we have spicy carrot soup, grilled mushrooms with cheese and tomato, and garlic bread. Next section is main course. It consists of pan-fried salmon, roast chicken, baked cheese and spinach omelette, all served with salad or fresh vegetables, boiled potatoes, or chips. Let's look at this section again. Main course. Pan-fried salmon, roast chicken, baked cheese and spinach omelette, all served with salad or fresh vegetables, boiled potatoes, or chips. Next section is dessert. It has baked apple pie and cream, strawberry cheesecake and ice cream, cheese and biscuits. Section cold drinks. Here there are different types of juices. Fresh fruit juices, orange, grape, apple or peach, mineral water, lemonade, Coke, and hot drinks. Tea, coffee, and hot chocolate. Let's check. Very good. Now I want to draw your attention to new words. I will tell the new words and you please repeat after me. Spicy carrot soup, garlic bread, pan-fried salmon, roast chicken, baked cheese and spinach omelette, strawberry cheesecake, cheese and biscuits. Very good. Look at the picture, please. Here you see a variety of foods. Listen to the instructions.
Put the food in the correct category.
There are 4 categories: fruits, meat, vegetables, and desserts. Let's first choose all the fruits. They are strawberry, melon, orange, and grape. Next group is meat. Let's choose all the words related to this group. They are steak, chicken, turkey, and lamb. I want to pay attention to the word lamb. Repeat after me, please. Lamb. We don't pronounce the B letter. Lamb. Let's choose vegetables now. They are carrot, onion, potato, and tomato. And last group is desserts. Cheesecake, biscuits, ice cream, and apple pie. Let's check. Excellent. What is your favorite dessert? You will practice some listening exercise now. First, listen to the instructions, please.
Kate is helping her dad at his restaurant. Listen and watch. Then choose the correct answers.
Before we listen, let's read the questions. First question. Kate and her dad's plan is to have lunch, make lunch, serve lunch. Next question. What does Kate's dad want for the grilled mushrooms? Cheese and ham, cheese and onion, cheese and tomato. Next question. What are the last ingredients Kate's dad needs for the mushroom starter? Herbs and spices, salt and pepper, sugar and honey. Next question. What does Kate need to do for the soup? Fill a saucepan with water, peel and cut the carrots, mix and pour the soup. Next question. Where does Kate put the onion for the soup? In a bowl, in a saucepan, in the oven. What does Kate ask her father to give her? A fork, a knife, a spoon. Next question. Are they preparing main courses? No, they aren't. Yes, they are. Not at the moment. And last question. What does Kate do with the bread? Puts it on a plate, makes sandwiches, throws it away. Are you ready? Let's watch the video now.
Okay, Dad. What's the plan?
The plan is to make our customers lunch.
Cool. What do I need to do?
Well, first, the starters. So, cut me some cheese and tomatoes for the grilled mushrooms.
No problem.
Okay, now peel me the mushrooms and put the cheese and tomatoes on top.
Like this?
Perfect. Pass me the salt and pepper so they're really tasty and ready to go in the oven.
Here you are. What's next?
Next, fill me a saucepan with water and boil the carrots in it for the spicy carrot soup.
All done. The carrots are cooking.
Good. When they're ready, don't forget to save me some cooking water for the soup.
Okay. What ingredients do we need to make the soup spicy?
Chili, of course, and some other herbs and spices.
Shall I cut an onion for the soup?
Yes, and then put it in the frying pan with the herbs and spices.
Give me your knife, please, Dad.
Okay, but be careful with it.
You sound like Mum.
Put the mixture in a saucepan and cook it for 20 minutes.
Are we doing the main courses next?
No, they get cooked to order. Cut me some bread to go with the soup, please.
Shall I put it on a plate?
Yes, please. And then we need to prepare the ingredients for the side orders.
Shall I wash the salad or clean and cut the vegetables?
You wash me the salad and I can do the vegetables. So give me my knife back, please.
Okay.
Now let's start making the desserts.
My favourite part.
For the strawberry cheesecake, break some biscuits in a bowl while I cook the butter, sugar and lemon juice.
Shall I mix them all together?
Yes, okay. Then we can add the mixture of cream cheese, sugar, cream and slices of strawberries on top.
It's delicious, Dad.
Kate, you're supposed to be helping me cook lunch, not eating it.
Are you ready to answer the questions? Good, let's start. First question. Kate and her dad's plan is to... Yes, you're right. Make lunch. They plan to make their customers lunch. Next question. What does Kate's dad want for the grilled mushrooms? Kate's dad wants cheese and tomato. Next question. What are the last ingredients Kate's dad needs for the mushroom starter? Right you are. He needs salt and pepper to make the mushroom starter tasty. What does Kate need to do for the soup? Yes, you're right. Her dad asks her to fill a saucepan with water. Next question. Where does Kate put the onion for the soup? Yes, you're right. In a saucepan. In the video, Kate's dad says frying pan, but these words are synonyms: saucepan and frying pan. Next question. What does Kate ask her father to give her? A knife. And her dad warns her to be careful. Next question. Are they preparing main courses? Right you are. The answer is not at the moment. And last question. What does Kate do with the bread? Right you are. Her dad asks her to put the bread on a plate. Very good. Now I will explain to you verbs with two objects. First, let's read these examples. The plan is to make our customers lunch. Cut me some cheese and tomatoes. Now, peel me the mushrooms. Pass me the salt and pepper. Fill me a saucepan with water. Don't forget to save me some cooking water for the soup. Give me your knife, please, Dad. The verbs in the examples are followed by two objects. An indirect object, which is usually a person, and a direct object, which is usually a thing. The indirect object often replaces verbs preceded by to or for at the end of a sentence, and is common in imperative sentences. Let's look at these examples again. Cut me some cheese and tomatoes. Pass me the salt and pepper. These sentences are imperative ones. We use imperative sentences when we give some instructions or ask somebody to do something. For example, fill me a saucepan with water. Next rule. Shall is used to offer to do something or to check you are doing the right thing. For example, shall I cut an onion for the soup? Shall I put it on a plate? Shall I wash the salad or clean and cut the vegetables? Shall I mix them all together? So now you learned how to make instructions and how to make imperative sentences. In this activity, you have to put the words in the right order to make the sentences. First, we will put the words in the right order and then listen and check. Are you ready? Let's start. First sentence. The plan is to make our customers lunch. Let's listen and check.
The plan is to make our customers lunch.
Next example is an example of an imperative sentence. Peel me the mushrooms. Let's listen.
Peel me the mushrooms.
Very good. Next sentence. Pass me the salt and pepper.
Pass me the salt and pepper.
This sentence is also an example of an imperative sentence. Next. Fill me a saucepan with water.
Fill me a saucepan with water.
Very good. Next sentence. Save me some cooking water for the soup.
Save me some cooking water for the soup.
Very good. Next sentence. Give me your knife, please, Dad.
Give me your knife, please, Dad.
And last sentence. Cut me some bread to go with the soup.
Cut me some bread to go with the soup.
So here you practice making some imperative sentences. You did a very good job today. The lesson is over. See you next time. Goodbye.